Hello, good morning students. How are you all? Fine? Good. Today we are going to start with, not start with, we have already started or we are already learning a lesson, a team of workers. What is there in this lesson? Here we are talking about workers of our body. Different parts of our body perform different activities, and those activities are very much important for us. Yesterday we studied about the first body part which was asked was hands, and hands told that I do work of pushing, I do work of pulling, I pull, I push, I catch, I hold, okay, that are all activities done by hand. After that the activities were asked to the feet, and when activities were asked to the feet, then feet told that I walk, I jump, I leap, I dance, correct, I hop, I run, I dance, and even I can stop. I can stop on my place also. That is the work which is done by legs. After that, the mouth asked question to the eyes and ears. He said, mouth said that ears, eyes and nose, what about you? What activities do you do, or what is your work? Then eyes told that I see everything, correct, I help you to read, I help you to write, and I can see everything. Let the thing be near or let the thing be far away. My eyes helps me to see. Eyes told about themselves that I see everything, even if the thing is far or near, I am able to see everything. I can help you to read. After that comes ears. Now what work is done by ears? Ears are saying that I help you to hear. If the sound is less, then also I can hear you. If the sound is louder, then also I can hear you. Let the sound be louder or soft, I help you to hear sounds around you, or around in the surrounding, you can say, or around you, okay. So ears help us for what? Ears help us to hear sound, let it be louder sound or let it be softer sound. Ears help us to hear. After eyes, ears, which is the next part of our body which is very much important, that is nose. What does nose says? That I help you to breathe day and night. Is it like that, or what? Nose is saying that no, I will not breathe today. Does nose says that? No, never it happens. Or does it says ours, no, I am tired today, now I will not breathe? No. So here it is told that I breathe day and night, I can never rest. If I will stop breathing, what will happen to the person? The person will die. That is what we studied yesterday. Now today, mouth is going to ask now some other body parts. Oh, you know, I open and shut and smile. When question is asked by nose to mouth, what about you? You are asking eyes, you are asking nose, you are asking ears, you are asking hands, you are asking feet. But when you ask us question, what about you? Then mouth tells that, oh, you know, I open and shut and smile. I open, I shut and smile. That is called everyone smiles, correct? I speak. Can I speak now? Yes, I speak, I eat, I drink. I sip, I slurp, I chew and bite. But do I get any of the food? No. It all goes to this lazy belly. Is it right? The belly does not do any work. What mouth is saying? that I do so much of work is done by me. I can even open myself, I can close myself, I can smile, I can laugh, I can chew food, I can drink water, I can do what? I can take a sip, I can speak, I can eat. But whatever I eat, it does not remains for me. It goes into the lazy belly. Belly means what? Stomach. And stomach does not do any work. Who is saying that? Mouth is saying that to ears, eyes, nose, hands and feet. Then all others, all. That's right. The belly does not do any work. Others are also saying yes, belly does not do any work. But then stomach is telling no, I do some work. Then what belly tells that? That's not right. That's wrong. I do a lot of work, but it goes on inside me. You can't see it, but I do work. Now what work is done by stomach? The work which is done by stomach is of what? Digesting food. There is a process which goes in stomach. Is it like that? Our digestion process, digestive system is there, respiratory system is there in stomach. It is outside of stomach or what? Stomach is saying or what? No, you don't be inside belly, you go outside. No. So here it is told that it is not right. You all are saying that belly is lazy. I am not lazy. Lot of work is done by me, but it goes on inside. Now eyes are outside, so we know. They blink, they open and shut. Nose, we know, we breathe in air, we breathe out air, so we know these are outer parts of our body. Ears help you to hear. Hands help you to push, pull, catch, hold, correct? Throw. Legs also help you to walk. These are all external parts of the body, but what about internal parts of the body? Internal parts of our body also helps us to do some work. Eyes. Why can't we see it? It's because you don't do any work. Hands. The only work you do is to grab all good food. Feet. You don't move a step. Why should we work to give you food? All. We won't work for you. You won't get any food now. Now other all body parts are saying that now is it possible? Is it possible? If mouth will not give food to stomach, your body will get energy or what? No, body will not get energy. Then what will happen? When body will not get energy, hands will work or what? No. Naturally, all parts of body are dependent on each other. Hands are dependent on legs, legs are dependent on stomach, stomach is dependent on hands and legs, mouth. Each and every part of body is dependent on other. Ekamekavarti te avlambun astat. If one will also not work, what will happen? Others all will stop working. Others will not work. Okay. So here it is told all, we won't work for you. They are telling now we are not going to work for you. We will not give you food. Then what happens further? Belly is telling, don't do that. I work for all of us. We will all suffer. If you don't give me food, all are saying, don't try to deceive. Deceive means what? Cheat. The meaning of deceive is what? Cheat. Here, don't try to deceive us. Who's saying? All other body parts are saying that don't deceive us. Deceive means what? Cheat. Don't cheat us. We know. You know, we know you are very smart. You are telling us that. No, you give me food, I will help you. But then you never help us. So the others all are saying that don't try to deceive us. Don't cheat us. Nothing you will receive. All other body parts are saying that no, we are not going to give you food because you don't help us. You don't do any work. But you know it very well, when we eat food, that food is getting digested, and the food which is digested, it turns into energy, and that energy is given to the all parts of our body. And if we will not eat food, what will happen? Other parts of body will work or what? No, naturally they will also stop working. So food is necessary for body, but then other parts of body, what they are thinking, we are doing work and belly is not doing work, we will not help belly. So what happens further? 3 hours later, 3 तासानंतर काय झालं? Belly, please get some food. I am all ready to start my work. I am all ready to start my work. He is telling, I am ready to do my work. Please bring some food. Then others are saying, no means no. You will not get food means you will not get food. No means no. We are all going to relax just like you. Hands are saying that I am not going to catch food. Correct. Mouth is saying that I am not going to chew it, or I will not drink water. Legs are saying that I will not go till food. I will not walk till food. I will not allow hands to take food, and mouth is saying that I will not chew the food. So here it is told that please get me some food. I am all ready to start my work. Others are saying no means no, we are not going to do. Belly, please listen to me. You must give me food. I digest it for all of us. Others, sorry, don't try to deceive. Nothing you will receive. Understood? What they are saying, no, we are not going to give you food. Means we are not going to give food. Hands are saying I will not give food to mouth. Mouth is saying that I will not chew food. Then what happens? They all are becoming angry on stomach. But stomach is saying that I will digest food for you, and the energy which you will get from the food will be helpful, or you will get energy from the food which I will digest. In this way we have studied lesson till here. Remaining part of the lesson I will explain you tomorrow. Have you understood? Now everyone is thinking that I am doing work, other is not doing work. But then others told, eye is told that I shut, I blink, I open and close, I help you to read. Ears are saying I help you to hear. Nose is saying that I help you to breathe. Hands are saying I help you to catch, throw, push, pull. Legs are saying that I help you to run, walk. Then belly is not telling anything. Now belly will tell, I think so. In tomorrow's period we will study that. For 3 hours they are not eating food. Other parts of body is not giving food to belly. Then after 2 days what happens, that we will study in tomorrow's period. Okay. Thank you.